Are you tired of seeing your hard-earned money slowly erode due to taxes? Do you dream of a future where your investments grow, and you get to keep every single cent of that growth, no questions asked, no taxes levied? If you're a Canadian resident, and that question resonates with you, then you're in the right place, because today, we're diving deep into one of Canada's most powerful financial tools, the Tax-Free Savings Account, or TFSA. Now, you might have heard of TFSAs before. Maybe your bank teller mentioned it, or an article popped up in your newsfeed. But let's be honest, for many, the world of investing and tax-advantaged accounts can feel, well, a little intimidating. Acronyms flying around, talk of contribution room, withdrawal rules, it's enough to make you just want to stick your money under the mattress. But what if I told you that setting up a TFSA, especially with a user-friendly platform like Wealthsimple, is not just easy, but it's one of the smartest financial moves you can make? Think about it. Every dollar you earn, every investment gain you make outside of a registered account, is eventually going to be subject to taxation. Capital gains, dividends, interest income, the CRA wants its piece. But with a TFSA, once your money is in, it grows, compounds, and can be withdrawn completely tax-free. That's right, tax-free forever. It's like having a special financial superpower where your money multiplies without the government taking a cut. This isn't just about avoiding a few dollars in taxes, it's about maximizing your long-term wealth. The power of tax-free compounding over decades can be truly astounding. A small difference in annual growth, amplified over 10, 20, or even 30 years, can lead to tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars more in your pocket. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, a child's education, a dream vacation, or your retirement, a TFSA can be the engine that gets you there faster. So, why Wealthsimple? In a world of traditional banks with their often confusing interfaces and sometimes higher fees, Wealthsimple has emerged as a breath of fresh air. They've made investing accessible, intuitive, and genuinely simple, even for complete beginners. Their platform is designed with the user in mind, making the entire process, from opening an account to making your first investment, remarkably straightforward. Plus, their fee structure is transparent and competitive, ensuring more of your money stays where it belongs, growing in your account. Today, we're going to demystify the entire process of setting up a TFSA with Wealthsimple. We'll go step by step, making sure you understand every click, every decision, and every benefit. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and empowered to take control of your financial future. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly cover some foundational knowledge about TFSAs. This will ensure we're all on the same page. What exactly is a TFSA? It's a registered investment account, not just a savings account that earns minimal interest. Within a TFSA, you can hold a variety of investments like stocks, bonds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds. The magic lies in the tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals. Who is eligible for a TFSA? You need to be a Canadian resident, at least 18 years old, or the age of majority in your province/territory, if higher, and have a valid social insurance number, SIN. That's it. What about contribution room? This is crucial. The Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, sets an annual TFSA contribution limit. For 2024 and 2025, that limit is $7,000. But here's the best part, an used contribution room carries forward indefinitely. This means if you were 18 or older in 2009, when TFSAs were introduced, and have never contributed, you could have a significant amount of cumulative contribution room built up. As of 2025, the total cumulative limit for someone eligible since 2009 is $102,000. You can find your specific contribution room on your CRA My Account online. It's really important not to overcontribute, as there's a penalty tax of 1% per month on excess amounts. And withdrawals? Another fantastic feature of the TFSA is its flexibility. You can withdraw funds at any time, for any reason, without paying tax. And here's the kicker, the amount you withdraw is added back to your contribution room on January 1st of the following year. This means TFSAs are perfect for both short-term goals, like a car down payment, and long-term goals, like retirement. Okay, with that solid foundation, let's jump into the practical steps of setting up your TFSA with Wealthsimple. I'm going to guide you through the process as if you're doing it on your computer, but the steps are very similar on the Wealthsimple mobile app. Step 1. Sign up or log into Wealthsimple. First things first, you'll need to either create a new Wealthsimple account or log into your existing one. If you're new, head to wealthsimple.com or download their app. The sign-up process is very straightforward, typically asking for your email, creating a password, and then basic personal information like your name, address, and date of birth. You'll also need your social insurance number, SIN, as it's required for all registered accounts like the TFSA for tax reporting purposes to the CRA. Don't worry, Wealthsimple uses robust security measures to protect your information. They also perform an identity verification, which is often done automatically through a soft credit check. This won't affect your credit score. In some cases, they might ask for additional documents like a utility bill or a T4 slip if they can't verify your identity automatically. Step 2. Choose to open a new account. Once you're logged in, you'll usually see a prominent button or link that says something like Add or Move Account or Open a New Account. Click on that. Wealthsimple offers various account types: TFSA, RRSP, FHSA, personal non-registered accounts, and more. Step 3. Select TFSA. From the list of account options, you'll want to select TFSA or tax-free savings account. This is where the magic begins. Step 4. Decide on your investment style, managed or self-directed. This is a key decision point, and it's where Wealthsimple really shines in offering flexibility. You'll be presented with two main options for your TFSA. Managed investing. Wealthsimple Invest. This is Wealthsimple's core offering and what they are best known for. If you choose this, Wealthsimple will build and manage a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. You'll answer a series of questions about your investment experience, financial situation, and what you're saving for, e.g., retirement, down payment, general savings. Based on your answers, Wealthsimple will recommend a portfolio ranging from conservative, more bonds, less stocks, to aggressive, more stocks, less bonds. They then handle all the heavy lifting: asset allocation, rebalancing, dividend reinvestment, and even tax loss harvesting, though less relevant for a TFSA as gains aren't taxed. This is ideal for beginners or those who prefer a hands-off approach. Wealthsimple charges a management fee for this service, typically 0.5% on balances up to $100,000 and 0.4% on balances over $100,000, plus underlying ETF fees, which are usually very low, around 0.2%. These fees are significantly lower than traditional mutual funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.